A grandmother has told a court she was shocked to find out she'd been filmed while urinating on US President Donald Trump's Aberdeenshire golf course. Rowan Bates is pursuing a damages claim against Trump International, claiming staff at the many-a-state course breached data protection laws by recording her. She's a long-standing critic of the resort's impact on the environment and community. Well, let's go to Katrina Renton, who's following the story. She's outside Edinburgh Sheriff Court. So tell us all about this.
Well, Simon, Rowan Bates arrived here this morning as one woman taking on a very large company. Now, she's making a claim here at Edinburgh at the Small Claims Court against Trump International Golf Club Scotland. Now, on the 11th of April last year, she went for a walk on the beach at the Many Estate. Now, she had to go through the golf course development to get access to the beach. And of course, this links course attracted a lot of controversy. There were a lot of people protested about it being developed at the time and ever since. Now, when she went through the golf club for access, she then got onto the beach, and owing to a medical condition, she realised that she needed to go to the bathroom urgently. So she hid in the sand dunes and where she thought no one could see her. But 3 days later, she received a knock at the door at 10 o'clock at night. Now, that was the police. They were coming to charge her for urinating in a public place in a manner which would have caused or would likely have caused annoyance. Now, she said she was shocked. She would have been horrified at the thought of anybody being able to see her. She said that she often goes on long walks and she knows the rules, and she'd followed Mountaineer Guidance Scotland's ideas on what to do if you need the loo outdoors. And she found out later from the police, though, that 3 male employees had filmed her. Ms Bates said she knew that she'd done nothing wrong and no further action was taken by the Procurator Fiscal. But she felt upset by her breach of privacy, and she took a claim against Trump International Golf Clubs that she was photographed without permission or notice. And at the time, Trump International Golf Clubs was not registered to use or hold personal data in breach of the UK's data protection laws. Now, Ms Bates told the court she made no secret of the fact that she was opposed to the golf development right from its early planning stages. And for Trump International, though, the lawyer Paul Motion said from her Facebook posts she didn't appear to be distressed by what had happened. She's an administrator for a page called Tripping Up Trump, and she posted, "Don't be intimidated," but she said that was before she knew that she'd been filmed. She also said in another post, "This was my first charge. It's a bit of a shock, but I'm over it." Now, Trump International contests Ms Bates' claims, and the case in there continues right now.
You better get back in there. Katrina, thank you very much. Katrina Renton there.